guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 7 and today we are gonna talk about having a routine. Now, to be very honest, routines have both their pros and cons. One way you can't live without them, and in the second, life really gets monotonous and it's can get really dull and boring. But we kind of have to find the middle ground as we have to in everything. I mean, world really is grey. There is no such thing as black and white. But it is a topic that I still remember from my last 22nd birthday. Currently I'm 23 right now. So since my 22nd birthday, I remember I was in Mumbai at the time and I was asking my friend about this topic and how there is really no middle ground between, there is really okay from scratch, that things really are neither black nor white, and how it's literally the most difficult thing to find a balance in between. And you can be right from one person's perspective, but this other person will definitely consider you the most horrific human for doing something. So while all of this is going on, currently I am at home and I was working with an NGO, and although I did have to do visits, mostly my work was supposed to be done from home. Now for me, working at home is really a very difficult task, too many distractions, and I feel ever since I went to my hostel in Missouri, like wherever I used to come back home was a place where I would chill, relax, literally do nothing at all. So I think that has kind of persisted and I still feel the same way about home. So it's kind of very difficult to find a balance and do my things. So last year I started using Notion, and Notion is literally like a lifesaver, I would say. The number of, to be very honest, I have spent quite a lot of time on Notion and exploring different templates. Like literally it is the most wonderful, or like the best way to spend time. Like I have literally spent hours and hours finding the Notion templates and like finding the ones that truly resonate with me and that I truly enjoy working on. So yeah, I found some really cool by some really cool creators who have really helped me and make my life easier. And you guys, if you guys would love to know what Notion templates I'm using, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely share them with you guys. And trust me, life really gets simple once you start using Notion. But it's not every day that I complete my to-do list tasks. Like there are currently I was using Notion since quite a lot of time, but during the month of March and April, to be very honest, I was not very consistent with my routine, not very consistent with my daily planners, my daily to-do list, and I must admit, it's not a very good feeling. I mean, regardless of what anybody says, once you tick off those tasks on your list, it is literally the most wonderful thing ever. Like it gives you immense joy and you feel like cutting them down even more. It can be physical, or it can be on a digital planner, whatever, but the satisfaction remains the same. So for example, today I had a few things on my to-do list, and I will have covered majority of them. There's one task that I did not do, and I was kind of feeling a little bad, guilty. I mean, and this so I've not really completely started from scratch doing the daily tasks, but I've made a list of things that I need to do every day regardless of what happens. And yesterday also wasn't my best day, but I thought of, hey, it's day one, it's okay. You cannot be 100% every day, but you can at least attempt it, right? But today I'm proud that I did better than yesterday, but there's still scope for improvement. So yeah, don't be too harsh on yourself, and keep being consistent. That's what matters the most, even if it's not 100%, and it will get better, I promise. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.